And let's go ahead and check in with meteorologist Jim Lytle. And Jim, you're actually watching Debbie for the impacts that could happen here in North and South Carolina as we look at that radar right now.
Yeah, that's the satellite imagery showing the expanding cloud tops. Look at that development. Interesting, isn't it? It's slowing down. It's getting a distinct circulation to it. So this could be one of those storms that becomes a little bit more than what we originally thought it was going to be. Our tropical update will talk about those issues and how they're going to affect us here in the Carolinas. And indeed, it appears they are, as the models are converging on a track which could be, well, in parts of our viewing area, it could be quite a little disaster forming, so I want to keep you up to date on that as it continues to unfold. But right now, there's the satellite imagery showing those bright cloud tops and a developing tropical system that will likely become a hurricane before it makes landfall in the Florida Panhandle. That'll be tomorrow morning, and then look what it does. It curves up towards South Carolina, North Carolina, and does this. Spins across Florida, Georgia, and then goes into the southern parts of South Carolina and the eastern parts of North Carolina and produces what will be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, just waves of rain that just pummel our area. And this is not going to be just coastal flooding. There could be flooding well inland. Our tropical wind area shows it'll be affecting us even in the Charlotte area through the week ahead. And I'm not talking about high winds necessarily, but more in light of the fact the wind will be out of the northeast, and that'll bring cooler temperatures in, like a cold air damming event, and also help accentuate the rain. 74 right now. We got area temperatures that range in the 70s. Rainfall yesterday was a trace all the way up to an inch. It'll happen again today. Maybe not quite as numerous, but we'll see some around. At least till 1 p.m. looks like just partly cloudy skies, but those storms should bubble up quickly. 70s showing up pretty well, except for the mountains are in the 60s. Dew points 70, rich, very full of moisture and tons of energy for this system that's developing Tropical Storm Debby, and it interacts with its frontal boundary, slows down, and becomes what could be a real problem for our area come the middle of next week. So, damage reports from the storms yesterday, pretty widespread from Washington, D.C. down to Atlanta and across our area. That'll happen again today. Radar shows nothing really imminent right now. Yesterday at this time, there were some showers out by Shelby, but not so this morning, and so we're looking at remnants left over there south of Rockingham. Our forecast today, 40% chance of scattered showers. Now, some of those could be numerous, so it's either scattered or numerous, and if we have yesterday repeat itself, they'll be more numerous. They could be more scattered today, which we think it'll probably happen, so not as widespread. 73 tonight, 20% chance of showers and storms, and tomorrow, 89, 40% chance of showers and storms, a southeast wind at 5. Mountain forecast, you can count on rain coming your way. Yesterday at this time, we indicated a little chance of rain for you folks, but now with this evolving hurricane and tropical system, we're ramping them up already into the mountain forecast. And same thing for us in the Piedmont. I think a 20% chance of rain. Now we're up to 50, 60% chance of rain Wednesday, Thursday. This could be quite the event unfolding. I want you to be very in tune to the forecast and listen to the warnings that'll be coming out as that system develops, comes across Florida, Georgia, and parks itself off the Carolina. It could be an extended period of heavy rain. Will?
Thanks so much, Jim. Coming up, the next time you place an order at Bojangles, it may not even be with a real person. We discussed the fast food chain's AI experiment. You're watching Queen City News. A beautiful day over there at the boat ramp at Lake Wiley. Look, no waiting. Go ahead, get out there on the lake. The most local news in Charlotte. We'll be right back.